So let's talk about the new Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, the big brother to the Watch 5 and the Watch 4 Classic. Now, I have the Watch 4 Classic and it has served me well. It's a very solid watch. It does all the things that a smartwatch should do. But being the tech nerd that I am, I decided to go with the Watch Pro. Let's check it out. So hey, I'm Bertrand the Tech Man. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Help a tech brother out. Hit that doggone subscribe button down below. I'm 50 away from hitting 1,000 subscribers so I can start to get paid. So here are my impressions. Now, this watch comes in at about $450. The build quality is solid, it's smooth, it's simple, but pleasing to the eyes. It's very similar to my Watch 4 Classic in every aspect except for it does not have a physical rotating bezel. Now, it's made with titanium and crystal sapphire, and it has a $80 watch band that's very cool but expensive, and it takes some time to figure it out. But once you figure it out, you get used to it. Now, I do like the snug fit. It's very comfortable because I think it really helps the sensors to work better. And if you have dark skin like mine, you need all the help you can with these sensors. Now, it comes off more easier than other watch band does as well. It now sports a bigger battery that will give you about 3 days of use. It has a charging speed of up to 10 watts. And you can use a 25-watt charger on it as well. Now, it takes about an hour and a half to charge it from 0 to 100% to a full charge. The magnetic charging disc on it has changed also from a USB Type A to a USB Type C charging cable, making it much easier to charge with other Samsung devices. It does seem to be a little snappier as far as the performance is concerned, but I will determine that when I do a review and a comparison to the Watch 4 Classic. Now, it appears to be more rugged and durable than my other Samsung watches that I've had in the past. And yes, it still has no blood pressure monitoring test app on it yet, nor does the skin sensor work yet. Samsung has promised that they're coming, just like they said about the blood pressure. Time will tell. Now, so far I like it, but I'm not quite feeling the digital bezel yet. But let's give it some time and we'll see. The exercise apps and the health monitoring apps on it are excellent, as they should be for such a pricey smartwatch. It feels very good on your wrist. Even though I have average wrist size, it doesn't seem to be too big for my taste. Now, it has a Bluetooth 5.2, better than the Bluetooth 5.1 on the last iteration. Now, the phone call quality was clear and loud for myself and my caller, and you can use the same bands from your old Watch 4 Classic if you have some of those laying around like I do. So now, in my next video, I'm going to determine if the upgrade from the Watch 4 Classic to the Watch 5 Pro is worth it. And you can actually watch a review of the Classic. I'm Bertrand the Tech Man. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. And remember, before you buy anything, always first, check it out.